The first thing you can do to stop YouTube from automatically translating video titles on mobile is to change your YouTube app language. To do so, tap your profile picture on the bottom right-hand side and then on Settings up top. Click on Languages and then on App Language. Make sure that the app language matches the language you want to watch videos in. You can also select preferred languages if you wish, which are the languages you want your videos to be in. For instance, if you want to see titles in Portuguese as well, select that option and then click on Confirm at the bottom. Another thing you can do is change the content's location, since sometimes YouTube translates titles based on region. To do so, head back to the settings, click on General, and change your location to a country where your preferred language is the default. For example, United States if you want your videos to be in English. Another thing you can do is clear your recommendations if the YouTube video titles already got stuck in one language. If YouTube keeps translating to a language because you watched a few videos in that language, go to your library, click on View All next to History, click on the three little dots on the top right-hand side, and then click on Clear Watch History or selectively delete videos in that particular language. Now, if you want to stop YouTube from automatically translating video titles from your desktop, one of the main things you can do is change the YouTube language. To do so, click on your profile icon on the top right-hand side, click on Display Language, and make sure that the language that is displayed is the language you want to see videos in. For instance, since my display language is set as English, this video over here, which is in Portuguese, has a title that is in English. If I were to change that language to Portuguese, then the original title would appear. Another thing you can do is change your location. Again, click on your profile picture on the top right-hand side, click on Location, and make sure that the location you set matches the language you want to hear videos in. For instance, if I want to see this video title in Portuguese, the best thing to do is to choose Brazil as my location. Another thing you can do is disable auto-translate in your browser, because sometimes YouTube video titles are being translated not because of YouTube, but because of Chrome. To do so, in the address bar, click on View Site Information, and then on Settings at the bottom. Click on More Settings and Permissions, and then search Settings to find Translate. Make sure that you turn this toggle bar where it says Use Google Translate to off. If you want even more YouTube tips and tricks, make sure to watch the video on the screen right now.